Hey friends, let's talk about saving for a better financial future. I don't believe in saving itself so that you could retire and then live off that money, but I do believe that saving is important so you could invest those funds into building your financial wealth. It's the discipline of keeping money aside from earned income, and the discipline comes when you understand the love for money, because what the money can do for the people you love and care. That's deep, so take some time to understand that. And that's why saving becomes important, so that it could be invested into assets, into investments that are going to generate income for you. Why would you want to do that? You want to do that because it creates love and harmony, because money flows abundantly, because you learned the discipline of how to save. Let me know what your thoughts are on this.